Hey everybody, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Colin Dias from Goin, India, and today I'm going to be continuing my series about showing you chords in the key of F. And these chords are going to be used by you to play a certain song that I'm going to be showing you. That's a very famous song. Okay, so let's get right to it. So I've already showed you the F major chord. Right, you play it like this, and the G minor chord. Now, also remember, like, I'm showing the chords in spaces of videos so that you learn these chords proficiently, you learn it properly so that you will be able to play the song comfortably. Okay, so like, it's not that I'm delaying the videos, but practice this chord so that it's going to be very easy when we go into the song. Okay, and the third chord that I showed you was the B flat major chord. Okay, and I showed you how to practice this also. Like, for those of you who are coming here for the first time, please check my links. Okay, you can go to my channel, check the videos. I've shown you the F major, the G minor, and the B flat chord. Okay, so today is something exciting because 4 different chords. Okay, so this is going to help you today, and this is going to be exciting for you. You'll learn 4 chords, but simple chords as well. Now, these are for total beginners who have no idea about chords. This is going to be exciting. For those of you who have been playing for around 4 months or 5 months, probably you know these chords. Okay? But let's get right onto it. So the first chord that I'm going to be showing you is the C major chord. Okay, the placing of the fingers. Your first finger is going to be on the 2nd string over here. Your second finger is going to be on the 4th string over here. Now this is the 2nd fret. If you don't know what is a fret, these are all frets. 1, 2, 3, 4. The blocks are all called frets. Very simple. Now, so your second finger is going on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. And your third finger is going to go on the 5th string of the 3rd fret. Right? Get it? And you're going to be playing this right from the 5th string onwards, and you're going to you're going to bypass this 6th string, and you're going to play all the way from the 5th string. Okay? Now you'll strum it a little bit in bars. You can play 2 bars by strumming in counts of 4s, right? So 4 counts make a bar. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Second bar. 1, 2. And you can continue this as much time that you want, as long as you want, because to get it right, if you want to get this right, keep on playing this 2 bars over and over and again. So you can take your breaks. You can play 2 bars, take a break, play 2 bars again, so that you learn the C major chord. Okay. So next one is going to be just an addition to the C major chord, and it's the C7th. Okay. Or the C dominant 7th. Okay, so what you have to be doing when you play the C chord, you got to place your 4th finger on the 3rd string of the 3rd fret, and that's your C7th or the C dominant 7th chord. Right, and what we can do over here is that we can practice both the chords, the C major and the C7 chord. So we play the C major chord, and then we'll add in this finger over here from the 3rd bar onwards. Okay, so let's go from the first bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add your 4th finger on the 3rd string. 4, 1. Don't stop your right hand. 3, 4. Leave it. It's a C major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back again. The 4th finger on the 3rd string. C7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And that is your practice session for one time. So you can repeat it again and again till you get it right, till you get it sounding right, and you're confident that you've got this chords properly. Okay. 3rd chord, and it's going to be the A chord. Right, you can play the A chord like this. Okay, now most of you might know this chord. So for the ones who don't know it, The A chord, basically use your second finger on your fourth string of the second fret over here, right? You can see that. Your third finger goes on the third string below your second finger, and your fourth finger goes below your third finger on the second string. And make sure that your fourth finger does not touch the first finger, okay? First string. And you play it right from the fifth string, and it should sound like this. If it does not, don't worry about it. Keep on practicing every day. Okay, so again, that's your A major chord. You can play it 4 times, 2 bars, okay, 4/4. Okay, but before that, I'll show you the next chord, which is similar, and it's the A7. Okay, now it's similar to the C7, but over here what we're going to be doing is that we won't be adding something. We'll be removing the second finger, sorry, the third finger over here, and it becomes the A7, right? You put it back, it becomes the A major. Okay, so let's practice this one now. So start 1, 2 with the count, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A7, remove the third finger, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, again put it back, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, remove it, 1, so that's an A7, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And that's about it. So we've got your C major, that's what we've learned today, your C7 by placing your fourth finger on the third string, your A major, okay, you just place it one below the next, right from the fourth string, yeah, leaving your first finger open, and then you remove your third finger, it becomes the A7, right? So the C major, the C7, the A, and the A7, and you have to practice this again and again so you get it right. And the next video will be coming soon because these were a bit easier ones. But if you are new over here and you don't know the F major or the G minor, please practice them thoroughly again and again so that you can get these chords comfortably. Okay, by next week, as I've said, I will be showing you how to play a song based on all these chords. Okay, so you'll get a full song plus a rhythm actually. So I'll teach you how to play with a rhythm also, so you'll be able to play the songs, a full song, quite comfortably, and that's going to be really exciting. Okay, so let's end this video again by showing you the chords that I've shown you so far. So I've shown you the F major 7, sorry, F major, the G minor, okay, you can check my links also, the B flat, the C, and this 7, A, and the A7. Okay, all the chords that we're going to be using in a song. Okay, right, so practice these and I'll see you for the next video with probably another chord, 2 more chords. Okay, and then we should be done with that, and the next week, end of the next week, we'll try to do the song. Okay, so signing off, this is Colin Dice from Goa. Have a beautiful day.